Hi, I'm Neil Cutmore, Managing Director of MortgageAdvice.biz. If you haven't got a document scanner, then today I'm going to show you how to scan your passport, ID or proof of address document using your phone. Firstly, check the date on your passport or driving licence to make sure that it is valid. If it's a utility bill for proof of address, that it's no more than 3 months old. Place a piece of white plain paper as background for your passport and fold back the spine to make sure the document is as flat as possible with no fingers in shot and no shadows. If you have an iPhone, find Notes on your home screen. Push and hold until you see the drop down Scan Document, then tap to select. Make sure the full document is in the window and tap the white circle as if taking a picture. Adjust the 4 corners in view to make sure all the document is in shot, especially any important reference numbers, and then tap Keep Scan. If happy with the image, tap Save. Then to send me a copy, tap the 3 dots in a circle in the top right hand corner, tap Send a Copy, then Mail, and fill in my email address. Hit Send. If you don't have an iPhone or don't want to use documents, you can download the app Adobe Scan for free. Tap the app and then hold the phone until it finds all 4 corners. It should then automatically capture the document. Tap Continue if happy with how it looks. Tap the image in the bottom right hand corner. Then click Save PDF in top right hand corner. Finally, tap Share, Email, and then you can email me the document. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the alert bell. Thanks for watching.